Hey guys, today I'm going to be hiding fidgets for Miss Blair. Sorry, Blair. I bet it's okay, but I'll be hiding like these ginormous poppets, like this poppet, and some are delicious. Well, I'm going to go do that, so yeah. I'll be showing you. Blair's just going to stay right here. Close her eyes. So guys, I should hide one in her bed. Well, you can't see it, but I'm hiding them right now. And then I'll hide this snail up on the cabinet. Then I will hide the other ones, but I don't think she's ever gonna find them. I'm gonna hide all the rest of the ones in one drawer. Because I just think she's not going to be able to find them. I mean, I'll help her get up to the drawer if she knows they're in there, but let's see. Blair, got your trick-or-treating basket ready? Hello, I want to go fidget trading. Okay, come over here. Okay, got her over here. I'm going to do fidget readings later, okay? My brother. Okay? Same. Okay, now I'm ready. Oh, wait, just as myself. Okay, I'm ready now. We're gonna... Okay, sorry, I was just telling someone something. Alright, now she's gonna look for her fidgets now to do trading. Okay? Okay, someone just got fidgets. Well, he's gonna be trading with me today, but right now Blair has to look for her fidgets so she can trade. Let's go. I found one! Can't really see, but it will work. I got it. She got this one. So, yeah. Sorry about that. Well, she got one, so we're going to put all the fidgets in a pile. That was my brother. Again. Alright, now let's go looking for some more. I set them. I think one's up there. Okay, let's get it down. Yep, you're right. Can you move me up into the closet? Yeah. I found them. Let's get them down. I'll get them. Can you stop, Miles? Okay, sorry about that. There we go. Now we got all the fidgets to trade. But let's get trading. Come on, Miles. Come on, Miles. Come on, Miles. 1 second. Alright, I'm ready now. This is her little trick-or-treating basket. Okay, see? Alright, we're ready now. This is myself. Okay,
You're up first.
let me see. Add. Accept. Now you put something down. Add. Add. Decline. Add. Decline. Decline. Okay. Decline. 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 Accept. No! Did you want this?
No.
I'll put this down. What do you want for this?
I'll take this for the.
Go already.
After this, I gotta leave.
Decline. Can I bonus? Take a few years. Well, that's not how fidget training works, but
You're gonna be seeing her in Roblox later.
me?
Yep.
If you've ever seen someone named Signal of Bob, it's a really weird name, but that's me playing Roblox. The weirdest name ever. But that's my name. So, if you ever want to see me on Roblox, then you'll see me if you see it. And make sure you subscribe to these videos. Bye.